So dreams can happen on different energetic levels. So on the energy level, when you are subconsciously thinking of someone or you need to heal and complete with someone, you will dream of them. But in that dream, it's going to be you having a conversation with that person or you doing some activity with that person. If someone else is telepathically thinking about you, wanting to complete with you, is attracted to you, you will dream of them. But in that dream, they will be saying something, they will be doing something. So the action is going to be from them, or the dream or the vision is going to be where they are more active. Sometimes dreams are also what is going on. So it's suppose you've watched a disturbing series or a movie and it's affected you, it's triggering you, you might just have the same dream. You know what I mean? So not every dream has to be a significant dream, but the energy with what you wake up is what is important.
Okay.
So when you wake up,
you have the memory of the dream, or what do you mean?
How you wake up. So if you wake up feeling very depleted,
okay,
it means that that dream is based on the conscious level. What you're thinking, what you're perceiving, what you've picked up from people.
Okay.
When the dream could be disturbing, but you wake up still feeling a lot more lighter, which means that there's been some energy healing, some completion that's taken place through that dream. Like, sometimes even when we go to crowded places, when we go for parties, you come back home carrying those energies. You will have a negative dream. So I always make it a point to have a saltwater bath, as soon as I come back, every time I step out and come back, so that I don't go to bed with those dreams or those energies. So dreams can have, many meanings, but it can be on the conscious level, it can be on the energetic level. Conscious levels are more disturbing.
Is there a difference between remembering your dreams and not remembering your dreams?
Oh, yes. Conscious dreams are the dreams that you remember. If you've had any kind of astral traveling, also I wanted to add in here that many dreams where the souls are healing, that's when they do some form of astral traveling. Like I've done readings for people in my dreams, So, and I'm like, okay, but maybe someone at that point needed it, I used to do a lot of
You're working overtime.
Yeah. So in my dreams, like I do a lot of astral traveling where, there are days that I'm tired and I feel that my body needs that extra energy. I astral travel into the angelic realm and I kind of, recharge my energy